How's it going, everyone? Welcome. Thank you, everyone, for attending today and supporting Sacra. 26 years, fuck COVID, you know? That's what you say, right? Get your peachy shots and quit complaining. Listen, and on the truth, though, man, I remember like it was yesterday when the youngsters pulled up to town hall asking about the car club and bringing their private vehicles. Starts somewhere, right?
Hey, bullshit, you're talking about Sam.
Hey. Their primer was spots, looked like a leopard on puro pedo.
Hey, there were times with full of holes back then.
Yeah, we did. On the real though, man, you know, it's been a long journey, man. Sacramento was our third chapter. Our second was Central Coast. And we never thought we'd get where we're at now. 42 chapters, over 600 members, man. That's crazy. Yuma, Arizona is our newest chapter. You guys haven't heard yet. We just started Yuma last month, son.
Yeah, we haven't announced it.
We haven't even announced it until right now. So, Yuma, Arizona. We're back to Sacramento, man. These guys right here. I know there was another one that's been around for a long time. Where'd he go?
In night. Impalas Car Club was only 5 years when these guys showed up. We were young, but shit, they were younger. Right out of high school. So we'd want to give this to Sacramento to recognize 25 years. This year, 26.
25th anniversary.
25th anniversary. Thank you guys. Much appreciated. All you Sacramento members, the families, everybody. Kids, everybody. Thank you. Right on. Here you go, brother.
Thank you.
To the whole chapter. We'll just keep it at his house.
This shit started in English class. We went to the Lowrider Super Show in Sacramento, seen you guys, and then Matt's like, let's do it. We got to do Impalas, blah, blah. It's even in my yearbook, Holmes, and it was me and this dude, homeboy knew Aaron, and then the other brother, and then blew up from there. We're coming out and supporting us. It means a lot. We've been here. We're the third chapter in Impalas Car Club. We got 26 years. Luckily enough, right now I got some badass riders. They've been putting us out there on the map. You guys don't stop. If you don't know, just Instagram it. But I want to say thank you to everybody. And one other thing I wanted to do is this guy that I know I'm going to talk about now. This guy's been paying his dues, putting in all kinds of work, representing, doing all kinds of shit. So I want everybody to help us welcome Brandon. We're gonna plaque his ass. Right here. Red flags!
Yeah!
This guy did hella changes. This motherfucker, we told him, hey, this is what we required. And this motherfucker straight changed and made shit happen, man.
Good job,
and he's
Pete.
out all the time. So
Good job, Pete.
welcome to Sacramento, bro.
All that work you put in, paid off now. Fuck them red flags. Hey, no.
Thank you. And
For families, for their support.
Y'all be seeing me out there, man. Just got blacked up today, bro. You see me in these streets, bro, in Sac, baby, all day. All day. We be working, you know what I'm saying? Today it paid off, baby. Just got blacked up.